Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxing, spoilers, giveaways. Today, I've got my summer Fab Fit Fun box in here, as well as a mystery bundle in here. We're unboxing all of this and giving away to you guys one of the items in here. I do want to welcome anybody who's new here. Thank you so much for checking us out. For all my return subscribers, you know I love spoiling you guys. Every month, I try and do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of May, it is the Cine Grace Sweet Indulgence palette. Looks like this. This one is mine. And I've got a brand new one for you in this description box down below under current giveaways. There's actually a bunch of them in there right now. So go, and there's only a couple days left on that. So make sure to go and check that out if you haven't already. As far as today's giveaway, it's really easy. You must be subscribed to the channel, watch the videos in their entirety. Somewhere in today's video is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know. As far as what is on my eyes today, it is the Juvia's Place Culture Palette. Kind of looks like this. It's so pretty. Awesome one for the summer. Love this. It's actually on sale right now on their website. 50% off. So this is the Fab Fit Fun summer box, as well as I have a mystery bundle in here. The mystery bundle I think is $19 and you get 3 items. And then you've got your full-size summer box, which does come out quarterly. Cannot wait to find out what is in here. It's been a while since I picked everything. So I do have a code for FabFitFun if you're interested in that. That is in the description box down below. It helps you out on... saves you a little bit of money, and it helps me out in any future add-ons that I want to do. That code is just there for your convenience. If you do use it, I thank you. I also have some FabFitFun starter boxes to give away. How the starter boxes work is you give me your name and email address. I send that off to FabFitFun. FabFitFun sends you an email and says, hey, Christina recommended you to get a welcome box. Now all you have to do is pay for shipping. Right now they only ship to the United States, United Kingdom, and Canada. And basically you sign up for their service, but you do have 21 days to cancel. But I have absolutely loved my FabFitFun boxes. I think it's the longest subscription box that I've had. It's beauty, it's makeup, it's skincare, it's hair care, it's lifestyle, it's kitchen type items, it's like fitness items, it's all sorts of good stuff, jewelry, all sorts of stuff that bring you joy in your life. So let's dive in and find out what's in here. Let's start off with that mystery bundle first, because I have no idea what's in there. I didn't pick any of the items in that one. It is so hot in this office right now. I know the house faces the western side, and I've got the bright light shining on me, and I'm just a mess right now. Just keeping it real. So the first thing that I am pulling out is from Dr. Brandt. It is their No More Baggage. It's kind of like an eye cream, get rid of all these under eyes, all that junk. I love it. I love it because it has like a salmon color to it that really helps out if you have lighter skin like I do. Helps to even out those dark circles. This does retail for $42, and it is their Dr. Brandt's best-selling and most viral formula, has become an essential for influencers, makeup artists, and celebrities worldwide. Designed to mimic in-office procedures or lightweight gel cream, instantly tightens and smooths the skin, depuffs the look of under eyes, and brightens dark circles. The proprietary Firmitex technology, combined with caffeine and peptide, creates a second skin film that tightens eye contour to visibly reduce the under eye baggage, puffiness, and dark circles. It's amazing, you guys. This is really, really good. It's like that. From Invisible they have 3 of them. They're kind of, I call them old telephone cord hair ties. They don't get stuck in your hair. My hair's not long enough to use them. So this will be either in today's giveaway or a future one. Product that I feel like taking out of this box and wiping my face with right now because I'm sweating so much. This is but I know it'll take off the makeup and I don't want to do that quite yet. So this is from Zoe Ayla. It's their 2 makeup remover cloths, retails for $14.99. Remove all traces of makeup with Zoe Ayla's makeup remover cloths. Just add a little water and wipe away your mascara, eyeliner, foundation, lipstick, and more, leaving your skin feeling soft and smooth. Perfect for sensitive skin, machine washable, ideal for traveling. So these 3 items total $64.98. I mean, obviously more than what I paid for just the $19 for it. From Elemis, it's a superfood midnight facial, retails for $50. It's a little midnight snack for your face. This luxurious cream reveals enviable skin through a combination of cocoa butter and vitamin C filled camu, moisturizing and replenishing while you're getting your beauty rest. It's good for all skin types. It has cocoa butter and the camu. It is 1.6 ounces and female founded. I am sweating so much. Oh. Okay, here's what she looks like. Kind of matches the shirt. I don't know if it's going to show you what it looks like in there. It has a little bit of like a rose scent to it to me anyway. Excited about this one. This is the Nage Hydro UV Defense Spectrum Broad Spectrum SPF 50. It does retail for $30. It's specifically formulated for the face. The sunscreen from the loved K-Beauty brand Laneige doubles as a moisturizer, delivering just as much hydration as it does protection for the sunny days ahead. It is good for all skin types, has UVA and UVB protection. It is 1.6 ounces. I mean, it's fairly decent sized for just a face SPF. Love it. These are the Elizabeth Stone Mod Bar Studs, retails for $45. The reason I got them is it's not really going to pick up on the slide because all you can see is this little gold bar, but right next to it is a little tiny opal. Put that in the pictures. It's a unique twist on a classic stud. The lab created opal and 14 karat gold plated brass combo in these earrings are chic, clean, and can elevate any look. They are 4 by 12 millimeters each, 14 karat gold plated brass, plated stainless steel and lab created opal. It is female founded. They are cute, but those opals are so small and you can't really notice them. Like, you wouldn't even be able to tell that's an opal because they are so small. I did choose it because opals, my birthday's October, opal's the birthstone for that. That's why I chose it, but yeah. This one I'm kind of excited for. This is the My Tagalongs Digital Luggage Scale. Retails for $29.99. So when you're headed to the airport, jump on your scale without holding any of the luggage, then jump on the scale while holding the luggage. The difference is how much your luggage weighs. But what happens when you're off on your little vacation? You buy a couple souvenirs, want to bring those home. Now you're like, okay, how much does my luggage weigh? I don't want to be playing that game at the end, trying to stuff some in this person's bag and some in this person's bag. Now you have a little luggage scale that's really compact and easy to take with you. So it says you're packed and ready to go, but we know you can't breathe a true sigh of relief until you know your luggage isn't overweight. Enter the My Tagalon's digital luggage scale that will help you relax before hitting the road, knowing you won't be throwing extra clothes or shoes into your carry-on last minute at the airport check-in or counter. So the dimensions are 5.5 inches by 1.3 by 1.1. The materials are stainless steel panel and plastic materials. Is female founded. You have your on-off buttons here. This, you have a little strap that you can hook it to whatever you need to hook it to so you don't lose this. From Essentials is the natural and organic skincare de-stress and sleep well roll-on duo. Does retail for $28. So have a relaxed girl summer. Love, love, love that. With this roll-on duo that promotes balance, wellness, and rest, chamomile and lavender and jasmine oils lead to a full night of beauty rest, while de-stress roll-on comes in handy during life's stressful moments. So it includes one de-stress roll-on, one sleep well roll-on. Size is 0.3 fluid ounces each. It is cruelty-free and female founded. I got this kind of so that sleep well that I can use because I have a hard time sleeping, and the de-stress for my son who's about ready to take his graduate exams and start applying to graduate school, and he's got a lot of stress going on right now. Here's what they look like. So can't wait to use these. Last item in here I was really curious about. So this is the Bumble Bumble Hairdresser's Invisible Oil Primer. Just retail for $32. Now, make sure all your bases are covered when it comes to stepping out and spending time in the sun. Not only does this primer reduce frizz, everybody knows I fight the frizz battle every single day. So it helps reduce frizz by 50%. It has UV filters, protect the hair from becoming dried out from too many rays, detangles, and protects the color from fading up to 16 washes. It's good for all hair types. Key ingredients are grapeseed oil, sweet almond oil, coconut oil, safflower oil, argan oil. It is 8.5 ounces. Interested is because I use the Bumble Bumble tonic. So this says that it's a hairdresser's invisible oil. This is a tonic, but they both say primer. And this one is medium waves pre-styles with soothing side effects. So I'm anxious to try this one because it was in here because I've used this one forever. You'll see this one in an upcoming empties video. And so I was super stoked when I saw, oh, this is a choice. This one's almost gone. So secret word is Memorial Day. Okay, let's give away those invisible bubbles. I don't have use for them. My hair is not long enough to do anything with them. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once, and make sure to put on it that secret word. Make sure to also put on it your YouTube name so I can verify, yes, you are subscribed to the channel. Now you can get bonus entries, and how the bonus entries work is you only fill out the form once, but you can mark on there if you did do the bonus entry items. And there's 4 different ways to get bonus entries, but only mark on the form if you did actually do the bonus entry item. Things that you're supposed to be doing. Anyway, because I do check, you don't want to be disqualified. Anyway, first way is if you go follow me over on Instagram. That handle is BeautyAmaB, A-M-A, followed by the letter B. Your second way to get a bonus entry is if you go follow me on Twitter. That's BeautyAmaB, followed by the number 1. Your third way is if you go follow me on TikTok. That's Christina Marie, BeautyAmaB. And your fourth way is if you share this with your family, friends, socials. Wanted a way to give it back to those of you guys that help share the videos. It means the world to me when you guys do, and it helps the channel grow. And I'm trying so hard to get those watch time minutes up. So if you guys can help me with that, that would be fantastic. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day. You must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. The giveaway is open internationally. I am not responsible for duties, taxes, tariffs, customs, loss in transit, damage, anything extra for it to get to you, and make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. Now, because this is so close to the end of the month, and I don't want to like announce the giveaway and then have it end in just a couple days, so the giveaway is actually going to go through June 30th, midnight Mountain Standard Time. And then on June 5th, what I will do is from all the giveaways that are ending that day, I will do a video that shows me picking the winners. I put from the Google Forms your first name, first initial of your last name, and if you've done what you're supposed to be doing, and each giveaway has its own forms connected to it, so that way everything is... That way you're not entering for something that you didn't really want or whatever. Anyway, so I will take for the first name, first initial of your last name from the Google Forms for this giveaway. Put those in the computer spins it around and the computer picks, so don't ask to win. And then as soon as the giveaway is over, I do go ahead and delete all of those forms. Your privacy is very important to me. I don't share that information. I don't sell that information. I don't create distribution lists. I don't do anything like that. So if you like this video, give it a big like. It really helps out the channel. Let me know what you guys did for your Memorial Day weekend. I hope that you guys had a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe, take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye. Woo!